Hi students, today we are going to see the exercise number 7.3, question number 3. Okay, so see here, replace the box in each of the following by the correct number. Okay, so the first question, first one A, 2 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon box it is given. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find this box, what will be coming. Okay, so look here, 2 upon 7. So this 2, by which number if we multiply, we will get 8. Okay, here they given the numerator 8. So 2 fours are 8. So already you know very well fraction, already I told. Numerator by which number we are multiplying, denominator also we have to multiply by the same number. So up and down we have to multiply by 4 here. Okay, so 7 fours are 28. So in the first A1 denominator, that box answer is 28. Okay, B1 5 upon 8. So here also they given the numerator 10. 5 twos are. So 8 twos are 16. Okay. Next to C1 3 upon 5. Here they given the denominator 20. Okay. So but this 5 if we multiply by 4 we are getting 20. Here they given the numerator 3. So 3 fours are 12 is the answer. Okay, move to the next D1. D1 here they given the denominator 60 and the numerator 45. Okay, so numerator they given the answer here 15. Okay, here big number they gave. So in this right side small number they given. But in the previous questions you just see here small number, left side they given small number and the right side big one. So we multiply. But in this question D1, big number they given in the left hand side and the right hand side small number. So we have to divide it. Okay. So 45 if you divide by 3 you are getting answer 15. Okay. So 60 also divide by 3 answer is 20. Move to the next question. 18 upon 24. 18 upon 24, here the denominator is 4. So divide by 6. We are getting 4. So 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3. Okay. So in this way, you have to submit this, you have to solve this questions. Okay. Move to the next. So this is also the same like that. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. So fourth one you see. So for all the questions 3 by 5 is the fraction, given fraction. Okay. So we need the denominator 20 here. Okay. So denominator 20 they given, we have to find the numerator. So look here, 5 fours are 20. Same 3 fours are 12. Okay, like this way you have to solve. 3 upon 5, B1 it is numerator 9. So 3 threes are 9. So 5 threes are 15. So like this you have to find out these answers. Move to the next. C1, denominator we need 30. So what we have to do? 5 6 are. So 3 6 are 18. Okay. So next D1 numerator 27. So 3 9s are 27 as well as 5 9s are 45. So in this format you have to solve these questions. Okay. Move to the next. Fifth question also the same, but what fourth question we did all multiplication like format they given. Here they given division format 36 upon 48. We need the numerator 9. So 36 if you divide by 4 you are getting answer 9. Same like 48 divided by 4 12 is the answer. Okay. Next 36 upon 48 we need denominator 4. Denominator 4 means 48 divided by 12 we are getting 4. Same like 36 divided by 12 3 is the answer. Okay, move to the sixth question. Check whether the given fraction are equivalent. Okay, so 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. So look here, 5 6 are 30, 9 6 are 54. So these are equivalent. Okay, next 3 upon 10, 12 upon 15. So 3 5s are, sorry, 10 5s are 50. So same like 3 5s are 15 we are getting. But here what they given? 12 upon 50. So these are not equivalent. Okay. So next 7 upon 13. Second number 5 upon 11. So this one also not a equivalent fraction. Okay. Move to the next. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. So simplest form means 48 upon 60. Write all the factors of prime factors, or you write the factors of 48. Here write all the factors of 60. So we can cancel this 2. Here also 2 we can cancel. So what next? 3 we can cancel. What is this remaining? 2 multiplied to 4. Here 5 is remaining. So 4 upon 5. So like this format you have to solve these questions. B1 you see 150 upon 60. Okay, 150 upon 60. So 3 multiply 5 multiply 10, factors of 150. Next factors of 60 you write. So whatever possibilities you cancel this. So the answer is 5 upon 2. C1 also like that, 84 factors and 98 factors written. Common we can cancel the 14, up and down it is there, so we can cancel this. So 2 3s are 6, 7. 6 upon 7 is the answer. Next 12 upon 52. Write the factors of this. 3 upon 13 is the answer. Next 7 upon 28. So answer here 7 is factor, it is 7. 28 factors written. 7 we can cancel. So what is remaining? 1. 1 upon 4 is the answer. Okay, understood. Next, 8th one, it's very easy question. Ramesh had 20 pencil, Shilu had 50 pencil, Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. So out of 20, he used 10. Okay, 10 pencil. Shilu used 25 pencils. Jamal used 40 pencil. What fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil. So look here, Ramesh used 10 pencil out of 20. So how to write the fraction? 10 upon 20. We can reduce this, so 1 by 2. Next, Shilu used 25 pencil out of 50. So 25 upon 50, 1 upon 2. Okay, we can reduce this. 125s are, here 225s are 50. Jamal used 40 pencil out of 80. So 40 upon 80, we can reduce 1 by 2. All are equivalent fraction. Okay, because here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So all used an equivalent fraction of her or his pencils. Okay, move to the next question. Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. Like that it's given. Here just I written the questions all. I displayed here and answers right side. Just I did match. 250 upon 400. If we divide by 50, we are getting answer 5 upon 8. So here you see I matched here D answer. Next 180 upon 200 divide by 20. So we are getting answer 9 by 10. I matched with E. Next 660 upon 990. We can divide by 330. Numerator and denominator by 330. If you divide, you are getting 2 by 3. Matched with A answer. Next question, 180 upon 360. I divided with 360. I got answer 1 upon 2. I matched with C answer. Next, 220 upon 550. I divided by 110. Okay, 110. I got answer 2 upon 5. I matched with 2 upon 5. So students, with this exercise 7.3 gets over. Okay, thank you.